Hi kids! Today we will study Chapter 7, Introduction to Microbiology Part 1, Standard 10th. What is microbiology? Microbiology is the study of all living organisms that are too small to be visible with the naked eye. This includes bacteria, archaea, viruses, fungi, prions, protozoa, and algae, collectively known as microbes. Applied microbiology, branch of biology in which study of the enzymes related to some prokaryotes and eukaryotic microbes, proteins, applied genetics, molecular biology, etc. is performed is called applied microbiology. This study is used for the society and various products like food and medicines are produced on large scale with the help of microorganisms. Industrial microbiology. This science is related to commercial use of microbes in which various economic, social, and environment-related processes and products are included. Various microbial processes useful for this purpose are carried out. Industrial microbiology main features: A. Various productions with the help of fermentation process. Example: bread, cheese, wine, raw material for chemicals, enzymes, nutrients, medicines, etc. B. Use of microbes for garbage management and pollution control. Products. 1. Dairy products. Since ancient days, milk is converted into various products for its preservation purpose. Example: cheese, butter, cream, kefir, yogurt, etc. Water content and acidity of the milk changes during formation of these products and texture, taste and flavor is improved. These processes are performed on large scale with more skill. For production of most of the milk products, bacteria in milk itself are used. Only cheese is produced with the help of fungi. Basic process for production of yogurt, cheese and cream is same. Milk is pasteurized at the beginning to destroy unwanted microbes. It is then fermented with the help of lactobacilli. In this process, lactose sugar of the milk is converted into lactic acid and milk proteins are coagulated with the help of lactic acid. Besides, compounds with taste and flavor are also formed. Example: diacetyl has the flavor of butter. 2. Yogurt products. Yogurt is a milk product produced with the help of lactobacilli that is inoculant. For maintaining the protein content, condensed milk powder is mixed with milk to be fermented for industrial production of yogurt. Milk is boiled and once it cools to warm temperature, bacterial strains of Streptococcus thermophilus and Lactobacillus delbrueckii are added to it in 1:1 proportion. Lactic acid is formed due to Streptococcus that makes the proteins to gel out that gives dense consistency to the yogurt. Acetaldehyde-like components are formed due to lactobacilli that gives characteristic taste to the yogurt. Nowadays, various fruit juices are mixed with yogurt to impart different flavors. Example: strawberry yogurt, banana yogurt, etc. Shelf life of yogurt and its probiotic properties can be improved by pasteurization. 3. Butter. Two types of butter, like sweet cream and cultured, are produced on large scale. Microbes are used for production of cultured variety. 4. Cheese production. Cheese is produced on large scale from the abundantly available cow milk all over the world. First, chemical and microbiological tests of milk are performed. Some colors and microbes like Lactobacillus lactis, Lactobacillus cremoris, and Streptococcus thermophilus are mixed with milk. It imparts sourness to the milk. After this, to impart the dense texture, whey, that is water in yogurt, needs to be removed. An enzyme, rennet, obtained from alimentary canal of cattle was being traditionally used earlier. However, an enzyme protease obtained from fungi is used at present to produce vegetarian cheese. The whey is separated from yogurt, which has some other uses. Then, process of production of cheese is started through steps like cutting the solid yogurt into pieces, washing, rubbing, salting, and mixing of essential microbes, pigments, and flavors. Then, cheese is pressed and cut into pieces and stored for ripening. Do you know? During industrial production of milk products, strict cleanliness and sterilization is essential as bacteria can be attacked by viruses. Hence, virus-resistant varieties of bacteria are developed. Recently, use of mutant varieties of bacteria has been increased. Artificially, some strains are developed that will help to avoid unnecessary steps or materials. Freshly prepared cheese is always soft, that is cottage cheese, cream cheese, mozzarella cheese. On storing for 3 to 12 months, semi-hard cheddar cheese is formed, whereas after ripening for 12 to 18 months, very hard cheese called Parmesan cheese is formed. Probiotics. These are also milk products but contain active bacteria, that is Lactobacillus, Acidophilus, Lactobacillus casei, Bifidobacterium bifidum, etc. These microbes maintain the balance of intestinal microorganisms, that is, increase the population of microbes, helping the digestion and decrease the population of harmful microbes, example Clostridium. Probiotic products are available in various forms like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, that is pickle of cabbage, dark chocolate, miso soup, pickles, oil, corn syrup, artificial sweeteners, microalgae, that is seafood like spirulina, chlorella, blue-green algae, etc. Why the probiotics have developed much importance in recent days? These products form the colonies of useful microbes in alimentary canal and control other microbes and their metabolic activities, improve resistance and lower the ill effects of harmful substances formed during metabolic activities. Useful microbes become inactive due to antibiotics. Probiotics make them active again. Nowadays, probiotics are used for treatment of diarrhea and treatment of poultry also. Bread. Different types of breads are produced from flour of cereals. Dough is formed by mixing of baker's yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, water, salt, and other necessary materials with flour. Due to fermentation of carbohydrates by yeast, sugar is converted into carbon dioxide, that is CO2, and ethanol. Dough rises up due to CO2 and the bread becomes spongy. Compressed yeast is used in commercial bakery industry. It is available in dry, granular form for domestic use. Yeast produced for commercial use contains various useful contents like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, various vitamins and minerals. Due to this, bread and other products produced with the help of yeast become nutritive. Ingredients like vinegar, soy sauce, and monosodium glutamate, that is Ajinomoto, that are used in presently popular Chinese food are produced by microbial fermentation. Vinegar production. Vinegar is used in each country of the world to impart sour taste to food materials and for preservation of pickles, sauce, ketchup, chutneys, etc. Chemically, vinegar is 4% acetic acid, that is CH3COOH. Ethanol and alcohol is obtained by fermentation of carbon compounds like fruit juices, maple syrup, sugar molasses, starch of roots with the help of yeast Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Mixture of bacterial strains like Acetobacter and Glucanobacter is mixed with ethanol for its microbial degradation. Acetic acid and other byproducts are obtained through it. Acetic acid is separated from mixture by rarefaction. Acetic acid is bleached with the help of potassium ferrocyanide. Then it is pasteurized. Finally, very small quantity of SO2 gas is mixed to produce vinegar. Soy sauce is produced by fermentation of the mixture of flour of wheat or rice and soybean with the help of the fungus Aspergillus oryzae. Microbial enzymes. Nowadays, instead of chemical catalysts, microbial enzymes are used in chemical industry. These enzymes are active at low temperature, pH and pressure, due to which energy is saved and erosion-proof instruments are also not necessary. Enzymes carry out specific processes, hence unnecessary byproducts are not formed, due to which expenses on purification are minimized. In case of microbial enzymatic reactions, elimination and decomposition of waste material is avoided and enzymes can be reused. Hence, such enzymes are eco-friendly. Some examples of microbial enzymes are oxidoreductases, transferases, hydrolysis, lyasis, isomerasis, legasis, etc. Process of dirt or muck removal occurs at low temperature too due to mixing of enzymes with detergents. Glucose and fructose syrup can be obtained from corn flour by action of enzymes obtained from bacilli and streptomyces. Microbial enzymes are used in various industries like cheese, plant extracts, textile, leather, paper, etc. Search now. Read the ingredients and their proportion printed on bottles of cold drinks and juices and wrappers of ice creams. Find out the natural and artificial ingredients. Wheat or rice flour is inoculated with aspergillus.